So one of the most fundamental things you want to learn how to do in SketchUp is creating new materials. So the kind of default library will only get you so far. So I have some placeholders here for like a plaster and a terracotta floor, but I really want to make sure I'm doing something that matches my design or vision or the needs of the model itself. So to create your own material, first you need to go and find an image to use as a material. Now, in order for it to work in a way where you can have it repeated over and over again, you need to find a seamless image. Now, one of my favorite resources for this is the SketchUp Texture Club. So you can really become just a free member, and essentially you can have access to a lot of different seamless images that you can then use in your design projects. And essentially all you have to do is download these images and they can be used in your project. So I'm going to create a new floor texture of a terracotta pattern over here. So I'm going to say create material over here with just this little button, and we're going to call it terracotta floor, and we're going to use a texture image, so we're going to leave that checked, but we're not going to use this one. We're going to actually download an image from the SketchUp Texture Club and use that JPEG instead. So first I want to click on this button here, and from there I want to navigate to my downloaded images, and I'm going to use the one in full color. Click OK. And we have this new pattern here. Now, importantly, we want to make sure we're setting the dimensions of this appropriately. So for example, say we knew that each of these tiles is 12 inches long. That would mean the overall width of this image needs to be 4 feet, not, looks like they're trying to make it into 2'3". So I'm going to say 4 foot. And these are locked together, so it's automatically adjusted the height of the image here, and click OK. Now this new material is active and I can just paint bucket on the floor this new material. Now, one thing about new materials is that it might be that when you paint bucket it on, it's not the right orientation or other things need to be adjusted. This is fairly easily done. So instead of going this way, I want to rotate this 90 degrees. All I need to do is select the surface, right click, texture, position. This is going to turn the surface into this little adjustment kind of version of the material. Now we can move it so we can kind of play around with where it is in the surface. We can skew it and shift it and things like that, but I think rotating it is probably the most handy, because then all we have to do is go over here, lock it to 90 degrees, and I'm going to move it a little just so we have it like so. And when you're done, just press the space bar and you've created a new material and rotated it into place. And that's how you create a new material in SketchUp.